Continuing with the front end, you saw that last week that he'd screwed on this nose section and got the inner nose all mounted. Moving on from that, we did the radiator mountings, got the radiators fitted, got the radiator and the AC condenser fitted, and worked out a plan with those. The plan necessitated widening the mounting centres of the bonnet hinges because the bonnet hinges were too close to the radiator air intake, and I didn't really want to move the radiator air intake around the hinges and narrow the intake area on the radiator. So instead, Matt has moved the hinges outboard and then altered the mounting on the bonnet inner frame to match the new locations of the bonnet hinges. He's also had to shorten the bonnet hinges and re-angle them because of all that, and so that's been a reasonably convoluted job, but he's got all that done. He's made new counterplates for the bonnet because one of this is another little aside, but it's an interesting one, I promise. The bonnet inner frame on these is like a closed aluminium pressing. There's no access holes into it, and originally from the factory, the bonnet hinge counterplates, the nut plates with the captive nuts on, the steel plates are inside the bonnet and then held in place by rivets, are inside the bonnet frame, and they're put in before the bonnet outer skin is bonded on. The bonnet outer skin is originally bonded on to the inner frame from the factory. So that means that if you strip a thread in one of those bonnet mounting nuts in the nut plates, you're going to be painting the bonnet because there's no access at all to get at them. It's inside a completely inaccessible part of the aluminium bonnet.